Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Dodge Journey and I will show you the location of all the fuse boxes. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. First fuse box is located under the front hood on the driver's side, just under this cover. And now to remove the cover, just want to lift it up here on these steps on both sides. And that's it. Here you will get access to all of the fuses. And on the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. And I will also add this yellow piece right here. This is the fuse puller, which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Second fuse box is located in a passenger's cabin under the glove box. Now it's a bit harder to access it. You'll have to get into awkward position, but it's just behind this cover. And you can see on top of the cover there is a small fuse diagram. Okay, now to open this fuse box you just have to unclip it here, you can see, and then lower the cover down. And here you'll get access to all of the fuses. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.